Okay, så det här projektet, now I can speak English. Yeah, so the project is called From Micro to Megagrid, Grid Interactions, or Interaction of Microgrids in Active Distribution Networks. So it's from the Swedish partner is Chalmers, RISE and Göteborg Energi, where Chalmers is focusing mostly on the microgrid interaction with the distribution system, and RISE is focusing more on market aspects of microgrid interactions. And Göteborg Energi supports with data and also energy storage for one of the demonstrator in the project. So in the project we have mainly two demonstrators. One that is BRF Viva, the house that Riksbyggen has built in Gothenburg that we saw before. And the other one is HSB Living Lab at Chalmers campus. And also Chalmers campus network as well. We've done some demos at. So some of the results and findings from the project. So we set up the communication infrastructure for controlling the energy storage and the solar PVs, and also some flexible production within this local energy system. And we have the microgrid energy management system that has been developed in the project. So the results I will show is regarding a case study of Chalmers campus network, which you can see here, where we have divided the system into two microgrids, where we have local production and energy storage, battery energy storage. And then we have taken some 4 different scenarios or strategies how to control the system. One is, and that is compared to the business as usual, where we don't control anything actively, but we have more like a rule-based control of the batteries, etc. So the first strategy is more on cost minimization for the microgrid operator, while the fourth one is from the DSO's perspective, that the DSO is minimizing their costs and peak for the system. And what we see is that basically minimizing the microgrid is giving the lowest cost for the microgrid, of course, for the microgrid operator here, but it also gives quite low cost for the DSO. So comparing that with scenario 4, there is not a large difference here in terms of cost for the DSO. Yeah, I see my time is up, so I stop there.